Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Ardens Theorem. We were seeing Ardens Theorem. So problem, we have seen one problem. Next problem we are going to see. This is the second question. We will apply for Arden's theorem. चलिए अब इसे करते हैं हम लोग. So by using Arden's theorem, we are going to find the regular expression of Q2. Okay. So for Q2, how to reach Q2? Q2, and since Q1 is the initial state plus epsilon also you have to do, plus epsilon also you have to do. Okay. Let's see. It's going to Q2 0 by getting then Q1 1. Okay. So Q2 0 or Q1 1. By this you can reach to Q2. So we want the regular expression for Q2. Okay. Now Q1. How Q1 we are reaching? Q1, since we require here Q1 is Q1 0. Okay, Q1 is Q1 0. I am reaching Q1 by Q1 0 plus epsilon. So it is already in R equal to Rp plus Q, that is going to your Qp star. So Q is a epsilon and P is your 0. It's 0 star. So it's 0 star. Okay. So Q2 is equal to Q2 0 plus Q1 1. Q1 1. So in place of Q1 1, Q2 0, in place of Q1 we got as 0 star. Q1 we got as 0 star, right? 0 star, then 1, then again it is like R equal to Rp plus Q, so it is going to Qp star, 0 star 1 Q star. So you are going to get 0 star 1 0 star. So this is the regular expression we got. So we have seen Arden's theorem, we have seen state elimination method and even the shortcut method. Okay, we have seen all the different kind of method to find the regular expression. In Q1, since Q1 is the initial state, so I have told you that whenever you will give the equation for the initial state, you have to add epsilon. Since Q1 is the, in bracket you can write, since Q1 is initial, one is initial. Okay. By using Arden's theorem, we have to find the regular expression. Okay. For Q2, what is going to be, for whatever is going to be the regular expression is going to be the regular expression of the final state. So regular expression of final state is the regular expression of FA. Regular expression of FA. So whatever regular expression you are going to get for the expression that for the final automata, that is going to be the regular expression of FA. So here we are trying to find the regular expression of Q2 because Q2 is the final state. So Q2 we find the equation first. Q2 is equal to Q2 0 because what is going to be the equation? How we can reach Q2? The Q2 by getting 0 we can reach Q2, then Q1 by getting 1 we can reach Q2, that I have written. So we want the regular expression of Q2. Now for that we need Q1. What is going to be the regular expression of Q1? So Q1 by getting 0, it's going to Q1. I have written Q1 by getting 0, it's reached Q1. And since it is the initial state, so we have to give plus epsilon. Now since it is already in R equal to RP plus Q form, so it is going to QP star. Is going to your Q P star. So Q is your epsilon, P is star, it's 0 star. You are going to get 0 star only. Since Q1 is the initial state. Okay, so Q1 is the initial state. Now Q2. So for Q2 you have to find Q2. Q2 is equal to, that you have seen, Q2 equal to Q2 0. So in place of Q1 you substituted 0 star. Again it is R equal to RP plus Q form. So it is going to QP star. It is going to QP star. So Q is this, P is 0, 0 star. See here we don't require Q3 equation because it's like dead state. See, after final state, if by getting one I am reaching Q3, it's dead state. So we don't require the equation of Q3. So how to find that? So you find the equation of the final state. For that, whatever equation you require, just find the regular expression for that. See. Oh, it's reachable. I am not removing Q3. I am not removing Q3. Here I am not giving the equation of Q3 because we don't require, while solving Q2 we don't require the equation of Q3. That's why I am not giving. वो not reachable वाला केस कब होगा जब minimization करेंगे तो. Here I am not doing the minimization.